Welcome to Daily English Practice for You.
Hello Nikki, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, bro, I'm doing great. Everything is fine by God gracing. And nowadays, what do you do?
Uh, by profession, I am a government employee. I work for state government,
Mm-hmm.
and my department name is the Mineral Resource Department, where I work as an LDC, Lower Division Clerk.
Okay, that's good. So, and how long have you been working there?
Uh, I got selected in 2019, and since then I have been working for this department.
Oh, that's great. So, and
Yes,
for what purpose do you learn
actually,
English, bro?
yep. There are three specific reasons of
Mm-hmm.
mine. So I am on this application,
Okay.
and to be honest, I'm telling you,
Mm-hmm.
my first reason is uh, before this job, I was a teacher. I used to teach for competitive students.
Okay.
So I still teacher is inside me.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to make a command over this language.
Okay.
So I again I start teaching for this particular subject. So I will make a passive source of income.
Mm-hmm.
And second, like, English is very important for nowadays. Like,
Yes,
whenever
yes.
we go, so we find people who, yeah, whenever we find people who speaks English, that
Mm-hmm.
time we feel unconfident when we don't have knowledge. So I don't want to feel that feeling.
Mm-hmm.
And I want to be confident everywhere, anytime,
Yeah,
in front of anybody.
yeah, that's good reason,
And
bro.
the most third and most important reason, like, I am married and I have a child of 4.5 year old.
Oh.
So I want to make a English atmosphere around him.
Mm-hmm.
So he will not go anywhere to learn this language, and I like to train him for this particular language.
Oh, that's great reason, bro. So, by the way, how old are
So
you?
these are my. I am 32-year-old.
Okay. So,
Yes.
okay. So, have you had your dinner?
Yeah, I have had my dinner, and don't judge me by my age. I want you to be frank and friendly over the call,
Yes, yes.
so we can have good communication.
Yes, bro.
And somehow I get good knowledge from you, and which will help me to enhance my communication.
Yes, bro. Definitely. So,
Yeah.
okay, bro. So,
So what about you?
yeah. So, apart from this application, what type of strategy and other activity do you do?
Like, earlier, I used to, before before using this application, I used to read grammatical book. So to improve my uh, to improve my grammatical things.
Okay.
And after that, yeah, but nowadays I do not read much that book. I
Mm-hmm.
speak over this application. And after that, I watch some podcast videos, English conversation videos,
Mm-hmm.
and comedy, English stand-up comedy videos over this application.
Okay.
because you know, yeah, whenever we watch comedy, so we feel happy, as well as it is in English, so we get to know vocabulary, we get to know the way we speak. And after and after that, I also do one thing, like I have an application of stories.
Mm-hmm.
So per day I read a story. It
Oh.
can be moral, it can be animal, it can be, but I read a story,
Mm-hmm.
and I note vocab, new words, and I make a note of it, and then whenever I have time, so I go through and I read it.
Oh,
I
that's
do not
great.
use that word in my communication. Yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
do not use that word in my communication,
Mm-hmm.
because sometime I'm not sure, and I don't know what for which purpose this particular word used, and if I use, so it will make me stop, and I
Oh.
feel I do not feel confident of that word. So I generally speak common words,
Mm-hmm.
so to make the fluency and to make the modulation.
Mm-hmm.
Nowadays
Okay.
I want to make command on my basic first, then
Yeah.
I will go for advanced vocab and advanced structures.
Okay, that's great things. So, bro, do you use ChatGPT?
Yeah, I use and I installed it.
Mm-hmm. So, bro,
And
like whatever new vocabulary you note in your notebook, so don't write there, but you can write there also. But you can you should try to search on ChatGPT about that vocabulary with example of and use of like related to that vocabulary in sentences, like because same things I do in my phone. I search on ChatGPT that like for example I want to know that meaning of simultaneously, so I search on ChatGPT, give me the meaning of simultaneously and give me 4 to 5 sentences um, using these words. So this type of things I do, and I search this way.
yes, you are right, but
Yeah, so you
see,
can do same
now
things, bro. After that you can practice
yeah, I
of
can.
new vocabulary.
Yeah, you are right. I should do, but look, I do not make any excuses. I have to bring time for that.
Mm-hmm.
But I
Okay.
rarely get 2 or 3 hours in a day. So I use this application the most I can,
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
I will do it. I'll do it. I like. I think. Sometime I think like I should use new words in my communication,
Yes, bro.
but I feel. Yeah, but I feel uh, very. I feel I do not feel confidence for of using that word. Like don't know. I think like I can use this word, and it is enough for this. It is enough for expressing. So why I
Mm-hmm.
use that word?
Yeah. Yeah, bro, but you should try new
And
vocabulary. It will help you to a lot to speak fluent English.
uh, to be honest, I have made a plan for it.
Mm-hmm.
Like since 20 days ago, I started using this application.
Okay.
So I will be on around 2 or 3 months. So I think it would be enough for me to get fluency enough in my communication,
Mm-hmm.
and then I will start using I will start using new word,
Mm-hmm.
and also slangs and ready-made structures in my communication.
Okay, that's great, bro. Yeah.
Because nowadays, whenever I watch English videos,